In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into TradingView. By the end, you'll be signed in and ready to chart without any confusion. I'll keep it simple, clear, and quick. First, open your preferred web browser and go to tradingview.com. Any modern browser works, but for the smoothest experience, make sure it's up to date and that pop-ups aren't being blocked, since some sign-in methods use a small window. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for the profile icon. It usually looks like a small user silhouette. Click that icon to open the account menu. In the drop-down that appears, choose Sign In. This takes you to the main login screen where you can pick the method that suits you best. If you want the fastest route, select the option to continue with Google. A small window may open asking you to choose your Google account and confirm access. Pick the account you use for TradingView, accept any prompts, and you'll be brought back to TradingView signed in. Prefer a different provider, you can also sign in using Facebook, X, Yahoo, Apple, or LinkedIn. The process is similar. Click the provider you want, authorize access if prompted, and you'll return to TradingView with your session active. If nothing happens after you click, check that your browser allowed the pop-up and that you're connected to the internet. If you'd rather use your email, choose the email sign-in option, enter your email address and your password, then click sign in. Take a second to verify there are no typos and that caps lock isn't on. If you can't remember your password, use the forgot password link on that same screen to reset it and try again. After a successful login, you'll know you're in when the profile icon changes to your avatar or initials. From there, you can access your watch lists, open charts, and adjust your settings. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh the browser and you should see your account details appear. A couple of helpful tips before we wrap up. Sign in on a device and network you trust, and log out when using shared or public computers. If your account has extra verification enabled, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete it. And if a provider-based login keeps looping, try clearing the site's cookies for TradingView or switching to the email method as a quick workaround. That's it. Clean, simple, and done. You're now logged into TradingView and ready to trade smarter.